Blimey, it's cold. Okay, as requested, vid.EP. I've put a few more modifications on it. Let's see how she flies. Hovers. Lively. Tail's holding very well, so I'm pleased about that. Still not working for it. Probably see I'm still trying to get those pitch curves right. I'm still trying to work out the kinks with the pitch curves, but I'm having to have a high head speed. Anyway, let me show you. Right, recent changes to the belt CP. I'm using some, taking a leaf out of the T-Rex book. As you can see, I'm using the aluminium arms to hold the servo. I'm using carbon fibre horizontal and vertical stabilizers. They're from T-Rex, 4A T-Rex. They're a lot stronger. So I advise that if you do break your carbon ones on your carbon disc, and change them to these. I'm using a metal rod which is adjustable, unlike the previous gyro I'm using is the GP750 headlocking gyro. I put a set of T-Rex skids on it, and as you can see, it's got a set of aligned blades. That was a nice canopy, that Escort canopy. It was kind of like a one-off purchase. Don't seem to be any more about. If any of you have got one, let me know. Alright, I'll show you what is going on underneath there. What jazz we've got. I've taken this battery out of my 2X. I've just bought a new one. Obviously that's 2100 milliamp hour. The motor is out of a blade. See, that's the 420. Blade owners will probably recognise there. Main gear from the blade, and I've just slotted it on to the one-way bearing that obviously fits the belt. They're all Metal Gear servos. HS65 Metal Gear. Now, the head obviously is all E-Sky, but the swatch plate is off the blade. So this is kind of a bit from this and a bit from that. You can see that, the blue. So it matches. Let's turn it up. Show you what's going on. And the tail servo is working a treat, as you can see. That's a digital HS5245 Metal Gear high tech. You have to excuse me, it's rather cold there now. 6200 receiver. I'm having to hold that at an angle. I don't know whether you can make that out. Basically all high-tech servos. I kind of like them. Another thing out of the T-Rex book are these. They're cheap enough to buy, and I think they did a fantastic job. And the radio, somebody commented on my radio. I'll show you. It's the Futaba. They call FF9, Fill Force 9. And as you can see there, probably just about make out. That's what I'm using. But the interesting part is this is a 35 megahertz set, and I'm using the 2.4 conversion to fly Spectrum. And this is what you need to do it. 8-channel DM8, as you can see, CFUT for Futaba, and you just take your 35 megahertz thing out, just plop that in. You can take out your 35 megahertz aerial, or you can leave it in, and just take that off and take this out if you want to put your synthesizer in, your 35 meg synthesizer in. That's entirely up to you. I'm just going to unplug this now. I've standardised all my battery connectors to these banana plugs, so that if I need to use a spare battery of something else I can, i.e. T-Rex 450. But if you have any comments or want to know anything else, feel free to ask, and I'll get back to you, and I'll give you some more information. I think that's about it. I'll take a couple of pictures. If I get time, I'll put them together in with the video. Alright then, okay, well, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Well, it's been fun anyway. It's the first flight I've had today, believe it or not. First today. And probably the last. The wind's been really bad. But at least we got one in. So there we go. Okay, thanks very much again. Take care.